I'd like to share with you a quick little DIY bath and beauty sort of thing that you can make to add a little sunshine to a dreary winter. And that is going to be orange bath salts. Now it's really easy to make. All you're using is Epsom salts, baking soda, and some orange essential oil. You'll need a little container and a spoon to do your measuring and then mix it all up. And that's pretty much it. Then you'll have something bright and sunny and scented to add to your bath time this winter or throughout the year. So let's go ahead and get started. The basic recipe for doing these bath salts is to use 1 cup of Epsom salts to a tablespoon of baking soda. Now, as you can see, this is a fairly small container, so I'm going to have to adjust accordingly. If you know that there are 16 tablespoons to 1 cup, then you know that our proportions are 1 to 16. So I think what I have here is probably not quite a quarter of a cup. So I'm going to want to use considerably less baking soda than I would in the full recipe. So I'm just going to put in about that much. Let me go ahead and stir it up a little bit. And then to that 1 to 16 proportion, add in drops of orange essential oil. Now for the full batch where you're using a cup of Epsom salts, it calls for 4 drops of the essential oil. So I'm just going to do 1 here. Oops. Okay, I'm going to do a couple more than 1. That happens. And I'm just going to stir it in very carefully. Try and get it through all of the dry ingredients. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I just love the smell of orange in winter. It's so happy, don't you think? And that is really all there is to it, is you're just mixing those ingredients up. Now, of course, to use it, you're going to sprinkle some in with your hot bath water. Keep this in a closed container so it'll stay dry until you're ready to use it. But that's all there is to it. So I hope you'll give this a try at home and brighten up your winter days. In the meantime, I hope you'll stay healthy, be kind, and get creative. Bye-bye.